Hey guys, it's Ishan Mishra and I am back for another presentation about the solar system. So this time we're going to be learning about the Earth. Intro. Meet Earth. Earth is a very unique planet. It is the only planet in the entire universe to have been known of holding life. Earth is in the habitable zone of the solar system, the third planet from the Sun. It takes 8 minutes for light to reach here. The distance between the Sun and Earth is 9,542,000 miles currently. It always changes due to our 23.5-degree angle, which creates seasons. Fun fact, Earth is the only planet in the solar system that isn't named after a Greek or Roman deity. Our dance is nice. Earth orbits the Sun every 365.25 days. Every leap year makes it 366.25 days. The next upcoming leap year is 2024. Earth orbits around the Sun at a speed of 18.5 miles per second. That's fast. Earth rotates on its axis every 23.9 hours. This is very close to 24 hours, so we just count that extra minute in. Winter happens when the Earth is tilted away from the Sun, and summer happens when the Earth is tilted towards the Sun. Fall and spring are just preludes. Preludes are like the warm-ups to the actual event. So before summer is spring and before winter is fall. Many layers, many features. Here are some features that our Earth was given 4.5 billion years ago. We have a solid sphere of iron and nickel, which is 759 miles wide. Our inner core is 9,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Our outer core stretches for 1,400 miles, and it's a thick band of iron. Our mantle is a 1,800 mile thick band of molten rock. And the continental crust, which we live on, is 19 miles thick. And then last but not least is our seafloor, which is a bit thinner than our crust, only 16 miles thick. And then 70% of Earth is complete seawater. Well, not seawater, ocean, but like water in general. And 97% of all the volcanoes and valleys on Earth are in the ocean. Protective fields and gases. The atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and the rest 1% are other gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, argon, etc. The surface temperature of the Earth is about 57 degrees Fahrenheit. There are multiple fields of the atmosphere of Earth as well: the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. But that topic is for another video. Spaceship Earth. Many space missions have been planned and executed throughout the history of space. We have satellites orbiting Earth and finding new information every single day. Someday we will know if other forms of life exist in the universe. Are aliens real? Conclusion. So, that is all about our favorite planet Earth. Make sure to conserve this planet and be thankful for it. Thank you. I hope you can get helpful knowledge from this presentation. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.